Hi, special energy in the 8th day of Hanukkah. The Hasidic master that is named Rabbi Levi Yitzchak from Berdichev wrote that in the 8 days of Hanukkah we are lighting altogether 36 candles. And when we light the candles here below, in the spiritual realm, it's lighting 36 candles above in the upper realm. Together is 72. 72 are the 72 channels of the 72 names of God. The chart that we are teaching about, the chart that I wrote a book about. So I would recommend in the days of Hanukkah to meditate with the 72 names to channel a blessing and enormous light that is being revealed in those days, light of miracles. Bless you all.